Hello everyone, so welcome to this quick tour of the University of Alberta Isolation Accommodation. Uh, this is the washroom on my left. If you see, that's how it looks like. This is the tile and the toilet paper, and behind the door we have a standing shower where you can take a quick warm shower. Moving on to the corridor again. So as soon as we enter from the main door, we have the washroom, which is here, and we have the closet where we can keep our stuff, the bags, the coats, the laundries. And after that we have the main room here. It's not very big room, but this is how it looks like. That's the bed, and that's the sort of a workstation where you can attend your classes, do your online meetings. Yeah, so this is the welcome package that I received once I was here. This could be the shampoo, the conditioner, the moisturizer, a facial bar, even though I have not been using it. And that's the breakfast that I have received. That's a milk can along with some dessert and a Diet Coke. Yeah, you will get your meals in this sort of bags, and that will be placed outside the main door, which is the green one there. And the best part of this room is this window. As you can see, the view here, amazing. It's a beautiful bright day outside. There is sometimes very good snowfall, but you will not feel the temperature a lot inside because of the heating system here. And yeah, there's another important thing you need to take care of. While you're traveling from any international destination to Canada, make sure that you have a universal travel adapter like this. It helps you with charging of your devices, so just make sure that you have one once you're here. Because if you look at the socket system like this, I'll just show it to you. Yeah, this is how this socket looks like here. So just make sure you have a compatible universal travel adapter which you can use to charge your electronic devices. Apart from this, yeah, you will get every week a pair of fresh bed sheets, towels, toilet papers, some trash bags for your usage, so you need not worry about it. Yeah, that's pretty much about this video, and I will just give you a circular view of the room here. And back to my way where I started. So here are some of the pictures I took during my stay here. It includes some of the vegetarian meals I had here and the lovely bright view outside which I captured through the window. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. so that you receive more updates in future. Bye for now.